Okay, so I'll teach you about hand pollinating. We have my squash. Uh, it's butternut squash. You can see here that this one's growing. So the difference is you have your male flowers, which don't have a fruit behind it. So you pop this off, and I'll show you the difference. You can see here that this one has a flower and a fruit behind it. So that's your female flower. So you take off the male flower and you kind of expose this. I don't know what it's actually called. It's probably got some fancy scientific name. You take this, then you get your female flower. You kind of open it up and you stick this in here and wiggle it around, trying to get it on to the center part in here, and that way you get your pollen. You pollinate it like that. You can also use a Q-tip and like wipe all the pollen off in there and get it in there. But yeah, that's how you hand pollinate squash. It works for any type of squash that has, yeah, any type of squash. So here's another female flower that you can pollinate. Yeah, just like this. It's kind of a better example. There's lots of ants in here, but you just go like that, get all the pollen on this, just to ensure that it actually gets pollinated. Because if not, the fruit will die and you won't have any squash. I'm done.